How to grow Reddit community. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to grow your community on Reddit. What you need to do is to open the application first, and on your homepage click on the menu bar on the upper left corner rather, and click on create community on the panel provided. Here what you'll do is to input your community name. Once you have the community name, you can set the community whether you want it private or public, and you can even set the age limit as well for your community. Once done, you can see here that you can now post informations on your community. This is just for an example. Let's say the community is more about architecture and design, so I'll have more information and more details below it. Once done, you can just click on post, and this will be posted into your Reddit community. Once done, now that you already have your Reddit community, you can definitely invite everyone to join your community, or you can also click on the upper right corner of the screen, that's the three dots, and click on share community. You can share it to anyone who you wish to join into your community here with Reddit. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.